Wow, welcome friends, Starry, Hilder, Off Grid, Homestead, and this is a Mrs. Meatbird vlog. Yeah, I gotta do a vlog for Mrs. Meatbird now because we know Mr. Rooster was almost put into the pot and he got saved by all of you, but many people were concerned about Mrs. Meatbird and her back because, you know, that's what roosters do, right? They like get on top of the hens and do their thing. Well, poor Mrs. Meatbird, you know, she's a meat bird. She can't really run away really fast. So she did get a little like featherless on her back. And some very kind woman, and her name is Nancy. I won't say what your last name is, Nancy, but she's from New Jersey. And she's so sweet. Something came in the mail from Mrs. Meatbird. And I'm going to share it with all of you because this is exciting. This is like really exciting. Mrs. Meatbird vlog. Okay, Nancy knows how to sew. She's really good at sewing. And last week, it was about a week ago, I was at work, got a package in the mail, and everybody's like, open it, Starry, open it. And I'm like, oh, hang on. So I open it, I'm feeling it, and I open it, and this is what was in the package. Look. Isn't that, look at how cute that is. Oh, Mrs. Meatbird. And we were just, I mean, everybody was just, they were just rolling in laughter. They thought this was the cutest saddle they have ever seen in their entire life. And they're like, this is for your Meatbird? I said, yeah, Mrs. Meatbird. And truly, Nancy, I was kind of choking up. I was really touched. I was really touched, and the people at the hospital were like, wow, that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. They're like, you gotta put that on Facebook. Well, I didn't get a chance to put it on Facebook, and what actually ended up happening is a week went by, and suddenly Nancy must have been working overtime and thinking overtime. She sounds like a little like me, because suddenly another package came in the mail. And look, another, it's like two sizes. I think Nancy started reviewing the size of Mrs. Meatbird and thought, you know, maybe that one might not fit her. So I'm going to make a really big one, and we're going to cover all bases. Bless your soul, Nancy. So right now, this is the big fitting for Mrs. Meatbird. This is kind of like Mrs. Meatbird goes to the prom. We are going to fit these saddles on her. See which one fits the most. Look at. See, I had to cage. See, I had to cage Mr. Rooster up, but everybody's happy, and it is Mrs. Meatbird. Hi, honey. It's your time to shine. We got to take care of that back, huh? Yes, we do. See? Yeah, and we love you so much. There we go. So, and she still has a little bit of a limp, but I tell you what, that Meatbird, man, I'll tell you what, she gets around. Okay, so let's get the saddle on. This is exciting. This is exciting. Now, I have never put on a saddle on any chicken before. So this is kind of new for me too, but I'm sizing it up, and actually I think maybe the smaller one might fit. Yeah, let's do it, Mrs. Meatbird. Mrs. Meatbird, see, look at the camera, Mrs. Meatbird. I think actually we're gonna try the smaller one. And oh, you're so good. I think it goes just like this. Look at that. And I think this one goes like this. Oh, hold on, Mrs. Meatbird. I know you've never had a saddle on before. I hope I'm doing this right. Oh my. I've never had kids before, so I'm really bad at hang on, everybody. Hang on. Oh my. Okay, this goes like this. I hope this is how you do it. You can put it right over the wings, right? Okay. Okay, I hope, okay, can everybody see that? I don't know. That doesn't look right. Does that not look right? I don't know. Okay, let's see. How does that look? Does that look right? I may need some, I may need some chicken instructions here. What do you think, Mrs. Meatbird? I'm not sure. Starry's not sure. I'm not sure. Okay, we're getting it. Look at her. She's so awesome. I mean, is she not an awesome chicken? I mean, come on. She is. She's rocking it. She's loving it. So I got it on, and I think I got it pretty straight. And she's just like, every time I start petting her, she just flattens right out, and she's like, oh, I love this. This is like full body massage. Listen to her. You love that, don't you, huh? There you go. What do you think about your new saddle, huh? Yeah. I think she's good. I think she's happy. Yeah. There we go. I think the smaller saddle is perfect. I think it's perfect. And I think she's gonna be a happy camper. Now these chickens, I don't know how they got out. Look at that. They're Houdinis. But Mr. Rooster still, I'm glad he's still pinned up. But there she is. There is, look at this. This is so cute. Mrs. Meatbird. I think it's gonna work. Yeah, and Mr. Hilder was just in here a second ago, and he said, "Did you see that the chickens have yet another place to lay their eggs?" And look, they're all over the place. And it's funny because I told Mr. Hilder, I said, "Oh, so you know where their new place is, huh?" He's like, "Yeah," and I'm like, "Well, are you gonna like get the eggs out of the tire then?" No. I tell you, the next thing we need to be making is a Mr. Hilder apron. With skulls and crossbones and deer heads, and because he ain't doing his job. Nope. Last time I was out here, I think I gathered like 20 eggs. Yeah, 20 eggs. And they're all over the place with the eggs. But look at this. I'm just going to kind of, oh, look at. There we go. Thank you. Nancy, you rock. Everybody give Nancy a high five, a thumbs up, a big heart, a big thank you, because Mrs. Meatbird, tell you what, she's a happy camper. She loves her new accessory. She's a fashion model. Denim works well. All right, I gotta get these eggs. Yep, and I think there's more eggs in the hen house too, in the Cluck Cluck Inn. Look at how beautiful those are. Oh. All right, thanks, Nancy. You made my day. Yeah, that one's not going to fit you.